it right?
Yes.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine. You can mute yourself now. And also, today I've seen my friend is back. It has been a while, so I have to hear from him first. Joyton,
Yes, teacher.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, teacher.
No, I missed you so much. Where have you been?
I've been home.
Been home,
Yes.
eating and sleeping?
No.
Hmm.
And learning.
And learning. It's my first time I'm teaching you since we started.
Yes.
So, okay. So you have not been attending my lessons, Joyton. Tony. Okay, he's off. So let's go on with the lessons of today. And they are proudly supported by Edify Uganda, ICT Teachers Association of Uganda, together with Christian Schools Owners Association. So those are the main sponsors of this program. We made sure that we have the lessons ongoing. So I would like to help you, and we go on to next. Okay, now let's begin with our mentor work. Then we shall continue later. Okay, let's begin with our mentor work, then we shall add other questions. We shall do any other work after that. So let's go on. Number one is write 1 out of 2 in words. Write 1 out of 2 in words. Okay, so we are here, and let's go. Number one is write 1 out of 2 in words. And our number 2 is 6 plus 2 equals 6 plus 2 equals. Then our number 3 is 5 times 3. Then 5 times 3. Number 1 was 1 out of 2. Write it in words. Number 2, it is 6 plus 2. Number 3, it is 5 times 3. Then number 4 goes, I have 4 cows. How many legs do they have altogether? I have 4 cows. How many legs do they have altogether? How many legs do they have altogether? Okay. Okay. Then lastly is here. Okay. Ronnie had 20 eggs. Ronnie had 20 eggs. He fell down and 6 got broken. How many eggs did he remain with? Okay. Ronnie had 20 eggs. He fell down and 6 of them got broken. So my question is, how many eggs did he remain with? How many eggs did he remain with? Someone is putting the answers in the chats. Okay, don't put the answers in the chats. I need you to write the answers. Let's go. I see people putting up their hands. I didn't know why. Okay. Let me see. Are you Montana?
Yes.
Are you giving us the answer for number 1?
But teacher, I don't know the question for number 3.
But first we're on number 1.
Okay.
Give us the answer for number 1.
Okay. The one.
The question was 1 out of 2 in words. Yeah.
1 out of 2 equals 1 out of 2 in words is a half.
Can you spell the word a half?
H A H F L F.
Okay, thank you. So the question for number 3 is 5 times 3.
I'm still
Have you gotten
learning.
it? Okay, he's still unmuted and he's very happy. Mwonge Jude.
Yes, teacher.
Then number 2, give us the answer for number 2.
What is again the question?
Thank you. Bye-bye. What's again the question? Why use your hand up? Let me hear from Ephraim. Ephraim Stephen. Ephraim.
Yes, please,
Sorry?
teacher.
How are you?
A quarter. I'm fine.
Number 2. Do you know number 2?
Teacher, I didn't hear the question.
But your hand is up. Members, if you know that you didn't do, the mental work, can you please lower your hand? Beginning from Mwonge Jude and the friends, can you lower your hand if you didn't do the okay, I want to see those ones who only did the work raising up their hand so that I can help them. They can help us and give us the answers given. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me give a chance to Stacia. Stacia. Can you unmute yourself? Oh, she's trying to talk, but I cannot hear anything. Stacia. Oh, she's trying to talk, but I can't hear anything from her. Oh, I've lost her. Let me hear from Narugo or Mabel. Is it Mabel? Yeah, Narugo Mabel. Mabel.
Yes, teacher.
How are you? Now what has happened? Again, you have muted yourself, Mabel. Mabel. Mabel, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
The answer for number 2.
A quarter.
The answer for number 2 is a quarter.
Yes, teacher.
We are still on mental work. Others we are doing corrections for the last work. We're still on the mental work. Mental work, mental work, mental work, mental work. Okay. Let me hear from Kalunji Daphne. 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 Oh my God. That's the problem. Jackson and Nami. Jackson. What could be the problem? I'm unable to hear everybody here. What could be the problem? Let me hear from Nanzili. Nanzili.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
We are
Yes,
fine.
So Jackson, do you know the answer for number 2?
Yes.
Tell me the answer.
15.
Oh. 15. That's number 3. I need number 2. Oh, let me get a chance. Who wrote all the work? Who wrote all the work? Let me give a chance to Lina. Lina,
Teacher,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Did you write all the work?
No.
Hey, you didn't write. How many numbers did you write?
2.
What was that number? Which numbers are those ones? Tell me,
Write 1 out of 2 in words. A half plus 2 equal to 8.
Okay, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Another one. Okay, let me hear from is it Elizabeth? Elizabeth. Elizabeth,
Yes, teacher.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, give us the answer for number 3, number 4, number 5. Did you write all the work?
Yes.
Okay, number 3,
5 times 3 equals 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15.
Oh, you did repeat addition. Thank you. Number 4.
They have 16 legs.
Oh, I have 4 cows. Each has 4 legs. So they have 16 legs. Okay, thank you. Number 5.
They have 14 eggs.
Oh, because Ronnie had 20 eggs, he fell down and 6 broke. So how many did you remain with?
14.
14 eggs. Okay. Okay, thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you, Elizabeth, for your answers. Okay. Thank you, Elizabeth, for your answers. You can mute yourself now and we see what's next. And we'll see what's next. Yes, and we see what's next. Okay. Before we look at what we are supposed to study today, last time I was here, we defined what is a fraction, and we say that a fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, so today I wanted we first compare, but before comparing, you will allow me to first access the work previously. We first access the work previously that we're supposed to have done, so that I can know that all of us we did the work. Okay.
Hello, Mr. Didas.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Are you on?
Yeah, I'm on. Are you seeing my what am I sharing on the screen? Is it the Google Classroom?
Nope. You are still sharing the presentation.
Okay, how about now?
Still, the presentation is still on. Yes, now the Google Classroom.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, so previously we looked at this work here, and you see very few did the work. Out of 164, only 64 managed to do the work. But I wanted us to just do the correction of this work, such that we can go. So this is the quiz we had. I will pick one person we do number one as we move on to next number. Okay, before we look at the work for today. Okay, let's do corrections of this work. Okay, let me begin with is it Abigail Blessing Akua? Abigail Blessing. Blessing. How are you?
Fine.
Are you seeing your screen? Are you seeing my questions on your screen?
Yes.
Okay. What's the answer for number one?
79.
What's the answer for number one? No, number one is here. Number one is here.
79.
Number one is here. Are you seeing number one on the screen?
Yes.
Okay, what is the answer there? I have. Thank you. Okay, so that's how we are supposed to have attempted that work in that simple way. All together? Let me check my patience. 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 Hello, Patience. Oh, what could be the problem?
Yes,
What could be
teacher.
the problem? What? How are you, Patience?
I'm fine.
Okay, we are number two. Can you tell me the answer for number two?
Number to write the fraction below in words.
Patience,
Yes, teacher.
are you on?
In words. Speak loud.
Yes, teacher.
We have options. We have here, the question is saying, write the fraction below in words. The fraction is here. We have got one is 79th, a 9th, and a 7th. Which one is the best answer here?
7, 9.
7, 9. Thank you. You see, class, that's how we answer those questions. When you go there, just answer them like that. Because this is the activity I posted last time. So before I post today's activity, I thought we should first do the corrections before we move on. Okay. Josiah AM. Josiah. Josiah.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
Yes, teacher. Fine.
How are you? Can you read for me? Can you tell me the answer I'm supposed to put here on number 3?
Write the fraction in words.
Sorry.
Write the fraction in words.
Yeah, it is here. Tell me the answer. Say it in words. What is that fraction in words then? Oh.
Quarter.
See. Okay. Let me hear from
30 quarter.
a quarter. Is this one quarter? 30 quarter. Okay. That's not bad. Kwesiga,
Yes, teacher.
how are you?
Yes, teacher. Fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, yeah, the question is here. Can you answer it?
3 quarters.
You spell it and I write it.
T
Mm,
H
mm,
H R
mm,
E
mm,
E
mm,
Q
mm,
U
mm,
U
mm,
A T R
mm.
T E R.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We have more to go, more to go. I need some people here to give me the answers. Okay. Okay. Let me give a chance to who, let me give a chance to these ones who are putting on their hands. Edward. Edward,
Yes, teacher.
how are you?
I'm fine.
The question is there. What is this fraction in words?
1/8.
Okay, good, 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 good. Don't go away. Give me also this one. We go,
3, 7.
3, 7. Good. So that's the corrections, how they are supposed to be. And after writing your work, you're supposed to click the submit button and you submit in your work. So for all those ones who did this work, I'm very grateful that you got the answers right. But those ones who didn't do, I'm very sorry, but let me hope that you're going to write the one of today. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's go to today's work, and mainly today we are looking at the shaded and unshaded fractions. I know we have ever studied about them, the shaded and unshaded what fractions. They are not new to us, since right now we are in P3, because this work is sometimes covered again in P2. Yeah. We also cover about the shaded and the unshaded fractions in P2. So by P3, it is not new to you, but we are supposed to study that work. Now, I have the given fraction. If I have the given fraction, as you can all see, or the given diagram, as you can all see, it is here. This is what you're supposed to do. Before you write the fraction, you must count the whole of them. You first count the total. The total, how many are they? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the total. Now, by this time, if this is the total, it means the total is going to work as the denominator. Because remember, the first we say that a fraction has got two parts. It has got the part which is on top. Its name is called the numerator. It has got the part which is down, and its name is called a denominator. So the total number of the parts of
Are you on,
fraction
Mr. Didas?
acts or works as the yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, fine. Now, I'm saying that this one, the fraction, okay, number of the parts given acts as the denominator. Then next, the numerator, we consider either when they have asked the shaded, you count the shaded. If they ask the unshaded, we shall count the unshaded ones. But what do you count first? You have to first count the total number of parts. For this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Therefore, the total parts are 5. So since the total parts are 5, I would go ahead. Since the total number are 5, I'm going to go ahead and I do what? Since the total number is 5, I'm going to go ahead and I write it as my denominator. So therefore, my denominator is what? Is 5. That's why I'm going to write it here. There, 5. Because 5 is the denominator. It is the total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next, I will count the shaded fraction, because here they are asking the shaded fraction. So I would therefore come back and I count what is here. I'll say this is 1, 2, and 3. So the number of shaded parts are 3, and that one will act as the new numerator. All together, class. The same thing applies here. When we go to the shaded and unshaded, I've said what we do first, we first count the total number of parts. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if they are 5, it means that I'm going to make the numerator, I'm going to come here and I make the denominator. The denominator is the part of the fraction which is down, there are 5. So how many were left unshaded? I have 1 and 2, and I will make that one to be 2. So that's how we shall be doing it. So 1, you first count the total. After counting the total number, we shall go on. After counting the total number, we shall go on to know. How many have been shaded, how many have not been shaded. That's what we are looking at today in a very simple way. So by this case, I have my fraction here. I say that first we count the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you put it down here as the denominator. Then you go on to the question, what have they asked me? Is it the shaded and shaded? The shaded one, 1, 2, 3, it becomes on top and is the numerator. So that's what we are looking at today. And I have my second question, so there, and I'm going to pick someone here to tell me what have you learned so far. Prince Gabriel.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so can you tell me the fraction which is shaded? Okay, can you tell me what is the denominator? Can we count together the denominator, the number which is supposed to be down?
1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4,
yes,
5,
yes,
6,
yes,
7,
and
8.
so the denominator, the number which is supposed to be down is supposed to be what?
The dominator.
The denominator.
Denominator.
Okay, the number which is down is 8. Have we agreed on that?
Yes.
Okay, can we now count the number which is on top? We know which number should we put on top. Let's count together the shaded one.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
Let me make it a little
The
bit big.
answer is 3.
Hold on. This can we count the shaded part?
1, 2, 3.
So the answer is?
3, teacher.
The answer is 3. So Prince Gabriel, before you run away, are you still on?
Yes, teacher.
Can you help me and you read for me this fraction in words like how we studied it last time? How do I read that fraction? In words. It's there.
3/8.
It is 3/8. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Okay. I need someone also who is my friend to tell me. You can mute yourself there. Okay, you can mute yourself there. You can mute yourself there as I pick another person here who will come and tell me, teacher, I think the denominator is this one. You can change it or you can give us another one. Let me pick someone here. Let me pick someone here. Okay, let me pick someone here to tell me how do I call this one? How do I? Can we change it? Okay, there's someone here I've never heard. Is it Danega? Is it called Danega? Is called Kid Danega. Danega, how are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
I wrote my name Tumwesigye Theophile.
Sorry. Hello.
Tumwesigye Theophile. I wrote it.
Hey, but here it is showing me something different. Okay, fine. Let's go on. What do we do to look for the unshaded fraction?
We count the unshaded parts.
You mean we first count for the unshaded parts first? What do we do first?
We first count the all parts.
Okay, good. That's what I want to hear from you. We first count the whole parts. Tell me, let's count. We begin from here,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I add on, there are 8. So I should write the denominator as what?
As 8.
Okay. Which one? Can we count the number of the? And can we count the? Can we count the unshaded? Can we count the unshaded ones?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It is 5. Okay. So our numerator is 5 and our denominator is 8. Are together?
Yes.
So can you go on and read that fraction in words? We learned it last time. How do you read that fraction in words?
5/8.
5 what?
Eyes.
5/8. Say 5/8.
5/8.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you very much, my friend, who is not sure of his name. So that's what we are looking at today mainly. So we read the fractions which have been shaded and the ones which have not been what? Shaded. But at first I've said we first count the all parts, and that one becomes the denominator. Okay, let me hear from someone here who will tell me, teacher, we are going to do this. Okay. Okay. Let me hear from Busurwa Hashim. Busurwa. Okay. Okay. Class, it seems I had a challenge with the network, but I think we can continue from where we are. So I was here. I was picking someone, Hashim, and Hashim was not picking. Let me pick Samantha. Samantha.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, tell me, what do I do?
We first count.
Yeah.
And then after we first count the shaded ones.
You first count the shaded ones? No. Samantha.
Yes.
What do? I first count all the parts, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, can we first count all of them together? We begin from here,
1, 2,
yes,
3,
yes,
4,
yes,
5,
yes,
6,
yes,
7, 8.
8. So after counting all the parts, that one, after counting all the parts, that one becomes our denominator. It becomes our
Denominator.
the denominator is the number which is down of the fraction. This one here. We have, how many do we get in total?
In total,
Hey, we got how many?
we got 8.
So we put it down as 8 altogether.
Yes.
Even here, we shall also put it there down as 8. We shall put it there as 8 as our denominator. Altogether.
Yes.
Then after, we are going to count the shaded and unshaded. We put them up as our numerators. Altogether.
Yes.
Okay, let's begin with the unshaded ones.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So the answer is
4.
those are unshaded ones, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, let's count the shaded ones now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, how do you read this fraction?
The first one, the shaded one.
Yeah.
4/8.
I hear a very big voice from mommy. It's 4/8. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Samantha. Thank you, Samantha, for the answers you have given us. Okay, let's go next. Let's go next here, and I see what we are doing next. What we are doing next is here. We are looking for the shaded and unshaded fractions. Okay, don't forget that we first count the whole parts. After counting the whole parts, we count the shaded ones and the unshaded ones. Okay, let me put the fractions ready for us to write. Whom am I picking now? Okay, whom am I picking? Let me pick Mile. Are you Mile Nachitende or you another Mile? Mile, can you unmute yourself? Mile?
Yes, please, teacher.
Hello, Mile.
Yes, please, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You are fine. Mile?
Yes. Yes, please, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Now, Mile, tell me, what do I do?
We are going to count all the boxes.
We are going to count all the boxes.
Yes.
Okay, you're going to count all the boxes. Okay. You're going to count all the boxes. Okay. Can we count the boxes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's count together. Let's count together. Okay. Mile,
Yes, please, teacher. Teacher.
okay, out together. First, hold on. Mile.
Yes, please.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, hold on. Keep quiet. I'm going to talk to you. Amolo, Alisha. Amolo, Alisha. Alisha Amoro, are you on? Unmute yourself. Amoro. Unmute yourself and talk to me.
Yes,
Hello.
teacher.
Okay.
Yes,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, you have taken my rights as the host, eh?
Yes.
Okay, you click, do you see my name? Amoro, are you see my name?
Yes.
Okay, click in that name. Have you seen?
Where?
Are you seeing where I am? Teacher Didas, I have a green thing there. May I talk to mommy or daddy who is there? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, who is there with you?
My sister.
Or the sister?
Yes.
Okay, may I talk to her? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yes, can you help me and give me back my host rights? You check in where there is my name, you look for the word more.
What do you mean? As in I go on the participants?
Yes, participants, they look for my name. Teacher Didas, it's there.
Uh-huh.
When you click in my name, it will bring you the option for more.
Yes, okay.
Then you make me a host.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, you can mute yourself now. Okay, thank you very much. Millie, my friend. Millie, can you unmute yourself? Millie. Oh no. I can't hear from Millie. Okay. Okay, let me pick here. I don't know why Millie. Okay. I don't know why Millie is not on. Okay. Okay. I need someone here. Okay. Okay, I wanted to pick Millie, but seems Millie went off, and I'm so sorry, Millie. Millie, are you on? Abigail, again, Abigail? No, Abigail gave a chance. I want to hear from Millie. I don't know why. I don't know why Millie is not there. Let me hear from Kateme Aaron. Aaron.
Yes, teacher.
Aaron, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. So Aaron, what do we do? What do we do? Tell me.
First count.
We first count what?
All the shapes. All.
Okay. We count the whole parts. We first count the whole parts. Eh?
Yes.
Okay, let's count together. Let's go.
1.
Yes.
2.
Yes.
3.
Yes.
4.
Yes.
5.
Okay, there are 5. So we shall write 5 as the denominator here, isn't it?
Yes.
Even here, we shall write 5 as our denominator. Okay, let's go on. Tell me, what do I do next?
You put up. The shaded on
We
the
look for
shade.
we look for the shaded one. Huh? Okay. What is the shaded fraction now?
Three,
Sorry. Let's
three
count.
parts.
Let's count.
1, 2,
Mhm.
3.
Okay, there are 3 parts. How do we read this fraction now? Let me see if I can get it. Hold on. I want to get better letters that we can use, which are seen by everybody. You have seen this one is 5, and here it is 3, like that.
Yes.
Okay, how do you read that fraction?
3 out of 50.
No. How do you read? We studied it last time.
Three.
It is a 3/5. Okay, 3/5. Now, what is the fraction of the unshaded one?
2.
2 parts. Say 2 parts.
2 parts.
Okay, how do you read this fraction now? Sorry?
2/5.
2/5. Good, Aaron. You're a good girl. Let's go next class. We still have our time, but before that, we have to finish this one here. Okay. We are here. So we have finished the shaded and the unshaded ones. But again, they can tell you, you shade this one. So what do you do here? Also, when you are given this one, you first consider the number which has been given down. Most of the times, the number which has been given down as our denominator is the total number of parts. Like when we count here, we shall have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why 8 is equal to this one. Then we shall go on and shade the ones on top, which are 3. That's what we're going to do. But I see, okay. Okay. So let's go. And I see, whom should I? Tumwesigye Ewart, please stop what you're doing. Okay, let's go on, and I see whom I'm going to pick here. Okay, let me see whom I'm going to pick. Is called Kailu. Kailu, how are you? Kailu, how are you?
Teacher.
Are you fine? Okay, now tell me, how many parts should I shed here?
3, teacher.
3.
3.
Okay, so I shed here. This is 1.
Yes. Number 2, 3.
And I shed this one. How many have I shaded so far?
2, teacher.
So I end there.
No.
Yes.
One was remaining.
1 remaining. Okay. Let me add that one that is remaining.
Yes.
Okay. Is it like that?
That's 3 out of 8.
Is it like that?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Thank you very much. Your answer is right. So that's what we shall do. Let's go to the second question. The second question. Let me give.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, teacher.
Okay, so okay, so we are shading 2 out of 9. So what do I do?
Shade 2 parts.
Okay, this one, which one should I shade? Tell me the one I should shade.
The first one and the second one.
Okay, like this.
No. Yes.
Okay. This is the first one, and I shade also this one here.
Yes.
So have I shaded now the 2 parts out of 9?
Yes.
Yeah, but when we are shading, I request that we should shade very, 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 very well, so that you don't shade like teacher and you put the lines to go out. Okay, that's why I'm trying to make sure that I do a good shading. So Tony, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so class, that's what we have now with the shading here. It is very simple to shade, you see. Okay, okay, this is the last one, I think. Okay, we have 2 out of 3, or what we call the 2/3. Okay, okay, okay. Someone saying, should we draw boxes? Not now. I'm going to put the work on Google Classroom. Okay, 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 okay. Let me pick someone here. He's saying, teacher, why don't you want to pick me? Okay, Phonics, don't write. Phonics, don't write. Let me pick someone here. He's saying, teacher, my name is Jacinta, how are you? Jacinta,
Yes, teacher.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, what do I do? How many parts should I shade? I shade 3 or I shade 2?
Shade 2.
Okay. I've shaded, I think. That is 1, this is 2, like that, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Is that okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Thank you very much
You're
for your
welcome.
answer. Let's go next. Let's go next now. That's almost the end of it all. Okay. Mwesigwa Alvin, don't worry. Tomorrow I'll pick you in our lessons. So possibly we have come to the end of today's lesson, and I would like to inform you that today we have a general parents meeting at 3:30 p.m. I think Mr. Michael can give a clarity or clear information about that. Mr. Michael, are you on?
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Michael. Okay, seems Mr. Michael is not on, but it's okay. So we have a parents meeting today at 3:30. Okay,
I'm on.
you can go on, address the parents and people who are there.
Okay. Good morning once again. I know it is still a good morning. We have come to the end of our lesson for today, and if not so, for the whole week. I think tomorrow we don't have any lesson with P3, isn't it? Is it okay, Mr. Didas?
Sorry?
Tomorrow, I think we don't have any lesson with the P3 class.
Yeah, it's not there.
So, our learners, as we are coming to the end of our week, as we shall not be having any lesson tomorrow until next week. However, we are going to have a general meeting for our learners and the parents, plus our sponsors, where we are going to be discussing about different things. So we are encouraging you learners, as well as the parents who are on the call right now, to attend the meeting such that we can discuss things. You can also raise your concerns and where we can change or where you may need us to do some any clarity. So we encouraging you parents, please. Last time we had a general meeting and very many of you never attended and you started facing a problem again to communicate to you individually. So we are encouraging you to spare time. It's going to be there by exactly 3:30 p.m. We shall be also having it on Zoom as our only media for communicating those general assemblies or general meetings. So in our WhatsApp group and on the Google Classroom, we have shared that communication plus the link and the meeting ID as well as the passcode, which is going to enable us to join the Zoom meeting during that time. So it is today by 3:30. Okay, sawa mwenda n'ekitundu. Let us meet there on on Zoom, and we discuss a lot of things. You ask all the questions you want, people are going to be there to answer you, such that the program can move smoothly. So I thank you for all who have participated for today's lesson as we are ending the week, but don't forget by 3:30, we are going to share the link still in the WhatsApp group. Already it is there. And I'm going to close the WhatsApp group to leave only that message which is communicating the meeting, such that you people, you can join. So let us meet in the meeting. If there is any parent or any learner with a concern, can try to raise up the hand, I pick someone. So I'm starting with Kwesiga and Kwansa. Yes, Kwesiga, you can unmute and talk to us. Kwesiga, seems you can't. If there are any parent who may need maybe, yes? Yes?
I have no question. I forgot to lower my hand.
Okay, so you remind your mom or your dad to attend the meeting, okay?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. So our
Thank
dear,
you.
okay, our dear learners, please don't forget to remind your sisters, your brothers, your uncle, your aunt, your dad, your mom to attend the meeting at 3:30. We shall be sharing.
Yes. 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 Bye.
In the link in our WhatsApp below the announcements, we have Zoom meeting during that time. Thank you. Mr. Didas, okay, Mr. Didas is off. So at this part, okay, still on. At this particular moment, Mr. Didas, you can take over the class as we are concluding by getting someone to give us a closing prayer. Anyone to give us a closing prayer? Yes.
Okay. Who should I pick? Who? Say your name.
Theophil.
I need someone to pick here. Let me pick Gloria Mukanza. Gloria. Gloria. Hello, Gloria. Gloria can't unmute her. So, okay, who can I pick to give us a prayer? Okay. Is it Anjagole Firmona?
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
They're fine.
Can you pray for us?
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. God, thank you very much for being there to protect our classmates as well as teachers. And we pray that you continue protecting them so that they can teach us and we go to the next class. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, I prayed. Amen.
Okay.
In the name of the Father,
Amen.
and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Amen. So we say bye-bye. We meet next time.
Okay, so learners, you can unmute and you say bye-bye to the teacher.
Bye.